welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to search an element from the list using linear search method. For that, first we will see the definition of linear search. So what is linear search? It is a method for finding an element within the list. Suppose here we are searching the 4 element and 4 is present, it will print that element is found. Otherwise the element is not found in the list. So let us see the linear search through an example. Linear search is also called as sequential search. That means one by one we are searching the element. So here linear search, another name is sequential search. Sequential search. First we have to take the values from the user. Which elements are present in the list. So here suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only continuous element we are writing. It will work for both sorted and unsorted list. Here X is a list and we want to search an element. Suppose Y we are taking as 5. Here we are searching 5. So 5 we will compare with 1. If it is equal, it will return true, but 5 is not equal to 1. So second element we have to check. 5 equal to 2, 5 equal to 3, 5 equal to 4, 5 equal to 5. That means our element is matched which we want to search. So here we will take one more variable, flag. Initially we will take flag value as 0, and after the element is found we will make it as flag as 1. So what will be the logic, how we can write using for loop? For I in X, X is a list here. So directly we are writing the sequence. First I will take 1. If I equal to 5, false, it will not show anything. Otherwise if 5 equal to 5, we are making the flag variable as 1. So if flag equal to 1, that means element is found. Print element is found. Else we will write that element is not present in the list. So else print element is not in the list. Let us execute the same code in IDLE also. So here first 5 equal to 5, that time we have make condition as flag is equal to 1, otherwise flag equal to 0. So through the example, through the IDLE, how we will going to solve? X is equal to eval. Eval means which type of data you are entering, that will be converted to the variable X. So here if you are writing the list in, if you are taking the input value as list, that means eval function, that list will be converted, will be given value to the X. So Y is equal to int input, enter the number to found, enter the number to be find, which element you want to search. In our example we have searched 5, so enter the number to be find. Next one more variable we will take, flag value as 0. Flag will is 0 when the element is not present in the list. Then we will use for loop for I in X. If I equal to Y, if I equal to Y, that means your element is present in the list. Make flag is equal to 1. Here we are not writing print statement because whenever the element is compared, every time loop will execute, it will print statement. So if the element is found, you break from the loop, discontinue the loop. If flag equal to 0, if flag equal to 1, print element is present in the list. Because I equal to Y, that time you have made flag equal to 1. So print element is found. Else print element is not present in the list. So write the statement element is not present in the list. Save the program with the proper name, that is linear search. Then run the program for three different inputs so that you can check that whether the program is giving the correct result or not. So for three different cases you have to run the program. Here enter the elements. Initially I am entering 9, 8, 6, 8, 1, 10, 67, 87 and 45. So here we will search the element 67. It will give element is present. That means linear search is working. So once again you check for another out input 9, 8, 7, 99. Enter the number to be found. Here again you find 8. So element is found. Now another test cases for the different value. For that element should not present in the list. That output should come. So here you enter 0, 9, 8. So you search the element 7. 7 is not present in the list. I hope you have understood the program. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe the channel for more such Python program videos. Thank you for watching.